Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I have got a 12 by 12 canvas ready to go. It's got like a light green sage color on here. This is a color that's completely leftover paints from my table. I mixed up, added a tiny bit of white, and threw it down as my base. So that's how I came across that color. Just using up good paint. Alrighty, I want to show you a couple paintings that are dry. Here's one of them. There we go. Turned out beautiful. If you go back, I think, one or two videos back, this one will be on there. And then we got this guy with the same color combo, just a different style of painting. Love how these dried and turned out. Just fabulous. And my reverse dips, you guys are probably just watching that video because it's just uploaded. These are them dry. Oop, wrong way, sorry, opposite to the camera. These turned out awesome. I did a couple of small ones as well, which I will grab. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. There's one of the small ones I did. Turned out awesome. And there's the other small one I did. I have a thing for flowers, so I'm always doing little flowers. Okay, I think that covers pretty much my most recent paintings dry. Yep, I think it does. Okay, let's do this one. So my awesome man Greg made me a little thingamajig spiral bowl. It's actually a bowl. I am going to pour over this. I like to do things pouring over things, so he made this on the 3D printer. So we're just going to put it in the middle-ish and pour some paint on. There we go. Now if you see anything that I use, like my butane torch or my cups and stir sticks, all that kind of stuff, I get it all from Amazon. There's links in the description, and if you do click on the link and buy something, I'll get a tiny little teeny weeny commission on a gift card from Amazon to replenish some of my stock. So if you decide you want to shop for something, by all means, click my link. Okay, I'm going to start pouring some color down. I've got Golden's Teal. This makes 40% acrylic paint to 60% Floetrol. That's going to be my first color going down. Let's see how this little guy does for color. For spreading the color, I should say. And I'm also going to do some Liquitex Turquoise Blue. Now on my last video I did with the reverse dip, I did music with very little talking. Please go check out that video and comment. Let me know what you think. Would you rather me talk all the time or play some music? Don't worry, I won't be offended. Okay, I'm going to put some silver down. Always got to add a little bit of that metallic silver. And let's add some pink. Should we go with some purple too? Why not? And I think I'm going to finish off my teal. There we go. Let's put that one aside and possibly scrape that out a little bit. And I think I want some more of that dark purple in there. So I'm going to go again with the purple. Which that one is Liquitex Dioxazine Purple. And I'm going to go with some Pearl Metallic now. What do you think? Should I add some more color in there? Why not? Living on the edge, hey? Okay, we'll just give it a second to make its way down. Might help it a little bit. Alrighty, that's lots of paint on there. Let's pull this up and see how it's looking. That's actually really pretty. He did good. Okay, let me grab my end of my paintbrush handle here. I think I'm just going to draw right into the middle in a couple of different areas here. I'm going to be tilting it, but I feel like I need to do that first. Did I get enough color in there? Yeah, I probably did. Okay. Something is telling me to go right down each section here before I start tilting. So I'm going to follow my gut and do just that. Yeah, each area's got lines through it. Okay, let's give this a tilt. Now underneath my canvas, I have some very cool risers. They're in an ash shape. My wonderful guy Greg, playing with the 3D machine, made me some cool S's to elevate my canvas instead of using the push pins all the time. Sorry if you're seeing the back of the canvas, you guys. Hopefully I'm still on the screen there. I love it when I don't waste paint and I can use that paint from a previous pour for my base. Get that corner. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to go back to the center. Okay, let me put that down for a sec. Let's give this a torch and see how it's doing for cells. Because that was mixed paint, the base was mixed. Some of it might have a little bit of silicone from a previous pour. We'll see. It looks like there might be there. And also the Floetrol will cause cells to pop up as well. Let's see if anything's going to be happening here. If it is, it's very slow going. I do see a couple of cells popping up, definitely some over here. give it another little torch. Now, do I play with this some more, or do I leave it as is? I always question if I should keep going. Like all of this design in here, I'm almost tempted to pour it this way and pull some of this. But I'm not gonna. I'm gonna behave myself. I'm gonna leave it as is because they are beautiful colors together. The cells are coming up. I feel like one more torch is needed. I'll lift it quickly to the side camera and we'll call this one done. There we go. Thanks very much for joining me, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that. Please hit subscribe. Come back and watch another video. Hit the notification bell even. Then you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, everyone, for joining me. Be safe. Bye for now.